Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money working from home. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and consider subscribing. And today I have an app that I'm going to share with you that you can do surveys, play games, and all sorts of other activities. You can watch trailers and earn points, and then from there convert them into PayPal money or Amazon codes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive into that right now. And then also don't forget to go in the description to this video and check out the details for the giveaway that we are doing for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to do that. The details are in the description to this video. Now here is the app. It is called AppTrailers. Now this is we're currently in the Google Play Store. I'm gonna go ahead and find the link to an Android device, and then also for the iOS device I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to these apps in the description below so that you can just be directed to this place. Now I did install the app already on my phone, but we're just gonna go ahead and look at the app itself and kind of what it does and everything to kind of have a more or less an idea as to what it is all about. Now we're gonna scroll down. It is actually a 4.2 rated. It's pretty good. It's been rated by 42,000 people, a little over 42,000 people, and some people have gave it 5 stars and 4 stars at the most. And they do, if you are interested in reading the reviews, you can go and you can come to this place and do that. But we're gonna read just a little bit more about the app itself. Now it says about this game, it says watch videos and play games for PayPal cash, Amazon gift codes, and more. So like I said, excuse me, they do give you some options there, and it says preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and get points that you can redeem for PayPal cash, Amazon gift codes, and many more with AppTrailers. It says watch the hottest high quality streaming videos of apps in Google Play, the only place you can see a movie preview of an app or other awesome web videos and get rewarded for it. So this sounds pretty good. It says some new. It says now you can earn rewarded for playing trivia, over 10,000 questions and more added every day. Play every day for bonus points. AppTrailers is completely free to use, and it's a great way to quickly view and check out the best features of an app in Android. Choose from any of these rewards: gift card from hundreds top brands, PayPal, Amazon, Target, Starbucks, Groupon, and more. Convert perk points into cash with the perk plastic prepaid debit card. Enter sweepstakes for a chance to win gift cards and more. Get AppTrailers today. Now, and it does show you just some more information in regards to the app. So we're gonna go ahead and just look at the app itself. Like I said, I already did install the app on my phone, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what it looks like and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just close this right now. It says, okay, so this is what it looks like. I mean, I have not moved anything. I just installed it. And it says new daily bonus. Play the daily quiz and get an additional 15 perk points. You can play for that if you wanted to do a daily bonus. It says play fun trivia games. This is the one for the trivia. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Okay, it says login with Facebook. Okay, for some reason it does not want to connect with my Facebook. We're gonna try. Well, anyways, you can play daily quizzes. You can watch videos, play apps and games trivia, play general trivia, and at the bottom it says try more games. And they also have the option to fill out your profile and to be able to redeem. But of course I have to sign in. I have to create an account. I just wanted to do it with my Facebook account. That way it's faster, but it doesn't let me. So I'm probably going to have to put in my email address and stuff like that, but we're not going to do that right now. So yeah, this is the app I wanted to share with you guys. Let us know in the comments below if you guys have experienced, have any experience with this app. Has it worked for you? Have you been able to redeem money from it? Or have you had any issues? Just any comments, anything you want to share, go ahead and do that in the description below. And obviously, like I always say, this little side hustles and things like that I share with you guys are great for extra money, for some extra expense that you have for your week or whatever. But if you are interested in creating a long-term passive income stream, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I am going to share more in regards to that with you, but you will have to click on that link and you will go from there. And then also just give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if the information I provided to you was helpful, or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the video. And then also, like I said, if you have any comments, any questions, concerns, or anything like that you may have, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Our community is growing, and a lot of our viewers, they have had experiences with some of the apps that I'm sharing with you guys, and they do comment sometimes if they have been able to redeem money or not, or just it's a great way to interact and share opinions and experiences with all these different apps that I share with you guys. So yeah, go ahead and drop your comment or questions or anything you have in the comment section below. And that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.